I'm going to play this game again because I just played it. If you want something else, leave a comment down below. And now let's play. Why are they following me? Stop it. Really content, buddy. I want to die. What the hell did I try? See. I don't know. Let's just play, I guess. My God, let's go. Boing, boing. Okay, what else? Stop flinging me so much. You fling me or... Oh my God. Help. I'm just yapping so much. Okay, can you stop? I want to help. Take this thing. Now I have to wait until... Stop. Yes, I won. Now I have to do that because I won full health again. So... Okay, why is everyone just looking at me? Oh, I guess I'm gonna stay here. Let's see what happens. Hope no balls. Yes. Oh my God. Why am I keep losing so much health? No. Was I just kissing that guy? You know what? I'm leaving. Yeah, weird. Maybe what can I play? Something new. Because these three games are not good enough. You know what? That's it. If you guys enjoy, smash like and subscribe and comment below. So bye.